Hello my beautiful viewers and welcome back to my channel. Learn English with Shelly. Today's lesson will be about the present perfect simple tense, or in other words, the present perfect tense. What is the present perfect simple tense? The present perfect simple tense is used to talk about events in the recent past that still have an effect on the present moment. We will start by looking at how to form a present perfect simple tense question. So if it's a positive question, we use have or has plus the subject plus the past participle plus the rest of the sentence. For example, have I gone to California? Have you gone to California? Have we gone to California? Have they gone to California? And if it's a negative, it'll be haven't we gone to California? Haven't I gone to California? Haven't you gone to California? Haven't they gone to California? And for has, it'll be has she gone to California? Has he gone to California? And for the negative, it'll be hasn't she gone to California? Hasn't he gone to California? Please note for these questions, the negative has not or have not must be contracted. So has not turns into hasn't, and have not turns into haven't. Now let's see the conjugation of it in order to form a sentence. So we need the subject plus have or has if it's a positive sentence, plus the past participle, plus the rest of the sentence. If it's a negative sentence, it'll be the subject plus haven't or hasn't, or you can do the longer format, have not or has not, plus the past participle, plus the rest of the sentence. For example, you have gone to California. We have gone to California. And if it's a negative, it'll be you haven't gone to California, or you have not gone to California, and so forth. If it's for she or he, it'll be she has gone to California. He has gone to California. And if it's a negative, it will be he hasn't gone to California, or he has not gone to California. Let's see some examples. Have you paid this month's internet bill? Yes, I have. Or if it's a negative answer, you could say, no, I haven't yet. I'll pay for it by today or tomorrow. Has Timothy seen the latest The Lord of the Rings movie? I'm not sure if he has seen it or not. Or you could reply by saying, yes, we saw it last weekend. It was such an amazing movie. You should watch it too. Did you know that the present perfect can be used to talk about the past in a number of different ways? I'll show you some examples. It can be used to give new information or news. For example, she has arrived in New York. Her plane landed approximately 5 minutes ago. It can also be used to talk about a repeated action that continues to happen over a period of time. For example, I have gone to Istanbul every summer since I was 20 years old. And finally, it can be used to talk about an event that started in the past and is still happening now. For example, Raphael has gone on a trip to Italy. And some more examples of the present perfect tense. We have just finished decorating for the birthday party. You still haven't cleaned the house? Our guests are coming tomorrow. Have you ever been to Spain? Yes, I have. Or, if it's a negative answer, you could say, no, unfortunately, I have never been there. Have you ever won the lottery? Yes, I have. I won $35 million. Or, no, I haven't yet. Maybe one day I will. This is a quick recap of the present perfect simple or present perfect tense. It's time for a quick activity. Write 1 to 2 present perfect examples in the comments section. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time.